You know what it's like, you hook everything up and you mentally have a checklist that you go through. Have I done anything? Nope, nothing's left to chance, I'm now off. But guess what I did? I forgot to put the breakaway cable on. So, needed to say, it went all the way home and ripped the end off, so I had to go and buy an easy fit breakaway cable. So now I've got to go through the process of swapping this thing out. But let's have a look. So here I am with my handy two tools, and then we'll just have a look and see what damage we've caused and how easy this is to change. So hello, I'm just going to poke this underneath and you can see. So the cable goes through that, which is just a little guide hole, that's fine, and then it goes all the way along, and that's where it clicks onto. So I'm just going to put it on sideways so you can see that. Okay. So you can see that it's fixed. So it's got a very small hole that is supposed to be able to fit through. I don't think that will. We'll see. See if it does. No, it doesn't. So what I'll do is I'll go and get. Well, we know where that bit fits through that hole, so I can take that out of there. Can you see what I mean? So that hole there is not big enough to fit through. So we'll have to open it up. All I've got to do is make that, chop that end off. Yep, that's that off. So all I did was chop the little bit off the end. That hopefully will be the same length as this one. Oh yes, but luckily this one is a whole lot easier, because these just have a little carabiner clip down there. And do it up. It coming off, and then put it through. Hole that they had before. And there we go. That's it for this one. We hope you found it useful, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. Thank you.